Going to take a look at these two porta potties here at this new huge community they're building here for Del Webb, they call it. Looks like they may have a pond over here. Huge amount of homes being built. We got two down east here. First one looks a little beat up. Let's go into the first one here on the right here. Like it had some graffiti or some kind of painting here they tried to repaint over. We have a urinal. Smells bad. Got a vent pipe here, and it's all cracked on this side. We got our hand sanitizer, a couple of rolls of toilet paper. Hey, a penny on the floor there. I'm not sure I want to get that. We'll beat up in here. Let's go take a look on the outside. Yeah, this is where it's kind of all beat up. On skids. Let's go take a look at the one next door to it in green. Smells bad in here too. Looks like we got some graffiti here. All kind of bad words. Got the vent pipe here. I'm not going to look in the toilet. Toilet paper on the floor, and here is the toilet paper here. And there's another little roll there as well. A little different vent set up here. Doesn't smell very good. Kind of beat up. Kind of dirty. Got dirt here, dirt everywhere. Let's take a look on the outside of this one. Both of them down east, sitting on skids. I'd give these both kind of a medium thumbs down here. Out here, this huge new development here called Del Webb outside of Durham, North Carolina.